To install machine heads, you need to know which way they turn to change the pitch higher or lower. The machine heads are in pairs, 2 left and 2 right, and the strings wind towards the centre. If you're not quite sure how this works, I'd suggest looking at an existing ukulele. I start the marking out process by laying tape in the rough area where I want to put the machine heads. I'm marking out on the back of the head, and I place the machine heads on mirrored and upside down. When I have them in the desired location, I put a pencil mark where the shaft of the machine head sits, and rule a line across to get consistency. Then I measure how far in each of the shafts sit, and mark the centres of all 4 machine head shafts. In this case it was 10mm from the side, but that can vary depending on the type of machine heads you have. Centre punch each of the 4 holes before drilling, and drill your 4 pilot holes with a small drill bit. If you use the full-size drill bit straight away, you might find your hole wanders a little bit. I'm using a sacrificial bit of wood when drilling for a couple of reasons. The first is to make sure that the head sits level, and the second is to minimise the amount of breakout on the other side when drilling all the way through. You want to choose the correct size drill bit to match the bushes, and the bushes need to be a reasonably tight fit, so I'd test this out first on another bit of wood. In my case I used an 8mm drill bit, and drilled through to a solid bit of wood underneath. The machine heads are attached with a couple of little screws. Use some masking tape as a guide for the depth of your drill holes, and make sure your pilot hole is appropriate to the shaft diameter of your screws. With the machine heads in place, you can locate where the holes need to be and drill all the holes necessary to attach your machine heads. Follow this process for all the machine heads, screw in all your screws, and you're ready to attach the strings to your uke.